Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Keerthi Kumar, and in case if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button guys. That will really mean a lot to me. So please do hit the subscribe button. So yesterday's video is all about this makeup look that I'm wearing. It's a very glam party makeup look. So this is the makeup look that I wore on my New Year party evening, and I got like lots of compliments in the party, and also I have got messages from you guys asking me to do this makeup tutorial. So I thought, like, why not let me film a makeup tutorial of this look, which is something that you can wear for any night party makeup look. I mean, like for any night parties, or even like if you just you can wear it even for the morning occasions, because we are going with very subtle lips. It will even look like warm on even on the morning party occasions, guys. So yeah, without any further ado, if you just want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching the video. Firstly, I'm starting with my eye makeup, and for that I'm taking this peachy coral color kind of shade, and I'm applying that on my crease area with a fluffy blending brush. So that's kind of like a very pale color. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna take another coat of the same eyeshadow, and I'm placing that on my crease area. So in the windshield wiper motions. Now I'm taking this red shade over here from the same palette, the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, and I'm applying that on my crease area as well, just to darken that crease a bit. So what I'm doing is I'm literally providing some depth and definition to my crease area by darkening my crease area. So again, I'm doing the same thing, guys. I'm dipping a little more product in and I'm darkening that a bit. So it's all about like layering the products. So now I'm taking this dark maroonish red kind of color from the same palette and applying that on my outer V area. Also taking that slightly into my outer crease area as well, so that the eyeshadows will look a lot more blended and, you know, like seamlessly blended, you know, like what I mean. So now I'm taking the concealer and I'm doing a slight cut crease kind of eye makeup look. So for that I'm taking a concealer and I'm placing that on my inner lid area. So if you just observe, I'm doing very short strokes. That's because I just want my concealer to be precise, neat and perfect, and I don't want to apply everything in one go and make it messy. So I'm giving like short gentle strokes with my concealer. Now I'm mixing these two shades from the same palette. So please excuse me, guys. I mean, like, my palette is broken. So yeah, so mixing those two shimmer red shades from that palette, and I'm placing that on my outer concealer part. So that's with a flat or small flat eyeshadow brush. And again, I'm doing the same thing with this color as well, guys. I'm slowly layering the product to get my desired intensity. So when it comes to eyeshadows or when it comes to makeup, you know, it is literally about layering the products and blending. So now I'm taking this gold color from the same palette with the same brush, and I'm placing that on my inner corner of the eye. So it's always best if you go with a small flat eyeshadow brush, because, you know, you can get a lot more control of the product. Now I'm removing all the fallout from my eyeshadow, so with just a normal wet wipe. Now for my primer, I took the Laura Mercier primer, and for my foundation I went with the NARS Radiant Long Wave foundation, which is my absolute favorite one, and I'm blending all that out with a damp beauty sponge. So blending is the key, guys. So remember always that thing when it comes to makeup. No, so for my concealer, I took the NARS Creamy Concealer, and I'm applying that on all my high points where I have to highlight. And remember this point, guys, in case if you want to hide like pigmentation or pimple marks or dark circles or whatever, you just have to pick a concealer shade that is an exact match to your skin tone. But in case if you want to highlight your under eyes and the bridge bone and everything, you can take 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Now for my liquid illuminator, I took the iconic London one, and I'm placing that on all my highlighting areas again, and I'm blending that out with a damp beauty sponge. Now for my blush, I took the Milani Baked Blusher. This is an exact dupe for the NARS Orgasm blush, guys. You just have to check it out. It's a lot more affordable, and I really love the color payoff, the shimmer in it, and everything about this blush. And for my highlighter, I'm taking my ABH Amazing highlighter. Oh my god, I'm literally going crazy with this highlighter, guys. It's amazing, and I really loved how finely milled this product is. It is giving that right amount of highlight that you need. And I'm applying that on all my high points again with a fluffy blending brush. Now for my contour, I'm taking my Benefit Hoola bronzer and I'm applying that on all my contour areas. And as I've already told you, that brush is kind of like, I think it's a blush brush or something, but I think it's actually kind of limited edition from Sephora. And I'm also doing my nose contour with the same bronzer. Now applying my brow bone highlighter, guys. I just took some random eyeshadows from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. So yeah, now I'm taking this dark maroon reddish shade that I've applied on my outer V and I'm placing that on my lower lash line to say, so that I can get a little more depth and definition to my eyes again. For my mascara, I'm going with my other favorite MAC Bold and Bad and Bold Lash Mascara. So sorry for pronouncing it wrong. And I'm coating my top and bottom lashes with that. And for my lipstick, I took the NARS Velvet Matte Lipstick. I think the shade is Walkery. I think that's the way you pronounce it. Not so sure with pronunciation. But whatsoever, I'm literally going crazy about the nude lipsticks these days. You know, like I'm really going freaking crazy about the nude lipsticks, guys. And I really love how well this went on with this eye makeup. So again, I kept my Kiss Beauty false eyelashes. You know what? I cannot go wrong with the false eyelashes. That's all for this video, guys, and I hope you like it. In case if you do so, please give this video a thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. That means so much to me. So please do subscribe. And also, guys, I'm doing a giveaway on my Instagram. So all you have actually that giveaway is all about the MAC mini lipsticks. I'm giving MAC mini lipsticks to 2 lucky winners. So yeah, 1 each. And in case if you want to win that, all you have to do is follow me on my Instagram, Keerthi Kumar Makeup, and also do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Keerthi Kumar Makeup. And also on my Instagram, under the giveaway post, tag 3 of your friends who would love to enter into this giveaway. That's it. And I'll be announcing 2 lucky winners on January 12th, and I'll be giving away 2 MAC mini lipsticks, 1 each. So yes, guys, and also in case if you have any makeup related queries, any makeup related questions, doubts, or anything, do put them in my comment section under this video, and I would love to answer them for you guys. So yes, guys, that's all for this video, and we'll be seeing you soon with another video. And also do follow me on all my social media platforms like my Instagram, because I'll be putting up many stories out there. So yeah, do follow me there. And yes, guys, we'll be seeing you soon with another video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.